Cooking game is a program that actually got the idea from a student that I had early in the year. And what she put together was a set of ingredients that you place in the container in the right order. And if they are placed in the right order, then you get the food that you're trying to create, right? You're trying to make. So this is my version of it, making breakfast. And so, I can go ahead and put the eggs in first, or maybe I could put the salt in first to the pan. And it says, you don't cook salt, silly. Right, try again. Or maybe I could put the bread in first, but there's no oil in the pan, so I burned the bread, right? And the bread comes back. Or maybe I could put the eggs in first, but of course there's no oil, so the eggs get burned. Whenever you make, bacon, I'm not sure if you guys have ever tried to make breakfast, but you always make the bacon first because the bacon has natural fat that coats the pan. And so, ooh, don't you love the smell of bacon? And it cooks nicely. And then I want to cook the eggs, of course. And the eggs are cooked nicely. And then I want to go ahead and toast the bread on the pan. And now they have the flavor of bacon and eggs. So now that we're done, the pan is going to turn into a plate, and now we need to plate the food, right? So I go ahead and touch the plate. The food evenly slides into the right location, and now we're not done yet because I need to use the salt, and so I'm going to use the salt on the bacon, but it's going to say the bacon's already salty, right? Because it has its fat that makes it salty. And maybe I can try it on the bread, and it says bread doesn't need salt. Let's try again. And of course, to finish up this plate, I'm going to put the salt and pepper on the eggs, right? Yay, our eggs are salted, and let's go ahead and eat, right? This is us winning. And so this is the game that we're going to be making.